Today is August 10th, 2016. Back with StocksToTrade daily recap. First stock is KTOV, basically lame sauce. This was a pretty good pre-market. They had some news. It's low float. These have been working. Really no reason to buy, or short or anything. It just, I was something like this pretty thin pre-market. I mean, I'm not looking to buy pre. I was hoping for a rush through kind of that high of pre-market for a buy. Didn't do that. I mean, faded. It's just boring. So a good non-trade there. I was never at any point tempted to trade that. CLNE, I made a decent trade on this. This was my one of my trades today. I'd put this on, I can't remember if it was Twitter or Instagram, that I was looking to short against the pre-market high with a stop at 4. So right here, this little crosshair I drew, I shorted in the 350s. I mean, I obviously didn't get the top. It looks like went 367. I got mid 350s. It got as low as 330. I covered into this grind back up for about 10 cents, 15 cents a share. Nothing great, but, it was really, I held because, until it perked, because, I mean, if you look right here, I mean, it really looked like a high, what's referred to as a high-a-day reject, a HOD reject, and it was fading nicely. I thought I could kind of hold this all day and cover in the low 3s. Didn't work. Oh well, move on. REN was a trade I didn't take, but I had this kind of on short watch for perks into that, let me hit this, kind of back into that rare air in the 12s. I know several guys that did short this well. Something like this, you do want to short spikes. It was just kind of a little too gradual up for me. I was hoping for more of a parabolic type move. But, if you did short above 12s, you could have covered in the, mid to low 11s. Still nothing spectacular, but I could see this kind of gapping down tomorrow. Could have been, a potential solid shorts, a swing short. I didn't take it. SAEX was another one that, popped up on the high day. I watched on the high day list. I mean, this thing's just too crazy for me to take. I mean, it just skips dollars here and there. I thought about it into this big rip, taking a small position, see if, I mean, it was, what was it, last week the thing was $70 or whatever. I mean, there's a decent risk to reward, but then you see it completely reverses and went exactly back, I mean, within pennies of where it was, 1704 to 1710. Tough play. I mean, I guess if you're ready, if you're watching, if you see this volume come in, but by the time I saw it, brought up the chart, got there, I just couldn't react fast enough. Already went over MPET. This is my kind of ideally gap up play for tomorrow. Again, high of the day came up on here. I kind of saw it break through this $5 level. This line I drew was kind of my stop. I posted on social that I was looking for a dip. I got it at 5. I got a fill at 520, and then it closed a few minutes later. Ideally, this thing makes it through that high in the 550s, maybe gets crazy to 6, and I'll take it. And if I get that kind of push early, I'll take it. Low float, oil and gas. It's pretty speculative, but I got small size, so. It looks nice here post-market. So, again, a little bit of a slower day, but you look at the madness the last few weeks, you kind of got to expect that. Getting into the end of the week, we're getting close to Labor Day. You're going to get some of these slower days. But overall, a good day. As long as MPET works out for me. CLNE was a decent trade. I'll take it. So, we'll see you tomorrow.